To all in our lecture series of PPCM. In our previous lecture, we have seen one example based on the critical path in which we have find the earliest occurrence time, latest occurrence time, and slack value. Now we have one topic in PERT theory part, that is the probability part. So today we discuss some problem based on the probability parts. So let's start. We have one problem. A project is expected to take 15 months along the critical path, having a standard deviation of 3 months. What is the probability of completing the project within 15 months, 18 months and 12 months? So here we have given two values, that is the T value and sigma value, and we know that the formula Ts minus Te divided by sigma. Ts is the schedule completing project value. So this completing the project within this completing value we have given 15 month, 18 month and 12 months. So we have given three values for Ts. Now we have to find the probability factor for that. Okay, so with the help of this formula, simply we have to put values and find the probability value. So z is equal to Ts value, we have taken first 15 and we have T value is 15 and sigma value is 3. So 15 minus 15 divided by 3 is equal to 0. So according to table which we already discussed in the theory part, at z is equal to 0, so probability is the 50%. That's why here we write if z is equal to 0, then probability is 50%. Okay. Now see second part, if Ts value is 18, so in Ts value is 18, here we get value is 1. So for z is equal to 1, probability is 84.13%. So for probability value you have to remember the table. If you remember the table, you easily get the values of probability or probability factor, means z value. Okay. And third one is 12. So here we get minus 1, and for minus 1 here we get the probability 15.87%. Okay. So this is the one way you have to find the probability factor, and with the help of probability factor you have to find the probability which we have given in the table for a particular z value. If you have find here 0.69 as a value, so for that what we have to do, you have to use that table and do interpolation. With the help of interpolation you have to find the probability value. Okay. So let's see next example based on the probability. PERT calculation yield a project length of 50 weeks with a variance of 16. Within how many weeks would you expect the project to be completed with probability of 95%, 75% and 40%? Means here he want Ts value. Here he want Ts value, means we have to find the Ts value. So for finding the Ts value we have to modify our formula. So we know that Ts minus T upon sigma is the z is equal to z. So for finding the Ts we have to multiply sigma with z and transfer this T here. So we get sigma z plus T as a formula for finding the Ts value. Okay. And he is given about 50 weeks, T value and variance. Variance means sigma square value, and variance is the square of standard deviation. That's why here we do square root of this value and we get the standard deviation. So here we get standard deviation is 4 and we have given T value is 50 weeks. So we have to put this value in our formula and find the Ts value. But what happened here, we have here z value also, and here he is given our percentage value, means z value he is given, but here we not write this value because this is in probability form. We have to write the probability factor form. So for that what we have to do, we know that this is our table. So with the help of this table we have to find the probability factor value. So we have given probability 95%, means it's lie between these two value. So we have to do interpolation and find the value. So for 95% here we find and we get 1.65 as a value of probability factor. So simply we have to put all values in our formula and find the TS value. So we get here 57 weeks as a completion project value in case of 95% probability. Same we have to find for the 75% and 40%. So for 75% you have to consider this value 0 and 1. So with the help of interpolation formula we have find the value and get 0.69. Calculate, we here get 53 weeks. And for 40%, so for 40% what you have to do, its value lies in 0 and minus 1. So you have to take 0, 50 and minus 1, 15.87. So here you get minus 0.25 minus 0.25 as a Z value, and after calculating you get the 49 weeks as a answer. So this is the other form. You have to find the probability factor, completion project value or probability. Okay, so for that you remember this table also. So this lecture is over guys. We meet with another topic in our another lecture. Thank you.